You want to check out the Legion Imperialis, Legiones Astartes Support today? Yeah, me too. Let's do it. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Legiones Astartes Support for Legion Imperialis Warhammer, the Horus Heresy. This is the game of epic scale. Yes, so it is finally here. We're getting some more Legiones Astartes units, and big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your continued support, as well as all you brand new ones, huge thank yous to you all. And of course, everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Big thank you to you all, as you guys allow me to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge thank you to everybody for their support. So, Legion Imperialis, Legiones Astartes Support. Yes, this is a box of 24 Citadel miniatures in the epic scale. So, 24 miniatures with dreadnoughts and artillery pieces. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's going to be epic, right? Because this is a tiny little box. This box size is the typical size we see for units and all the such for, you know, squad sizes, you know, Necromunda, 40k, Age of Sigmar, all that, right? So it's a fairly typical size box. We are looking at 2 Leviathan siege dreadnoughts with cyclonic Meltalance, a cyclonic Meltalance, whatever that is. Leviathan siege dreadnought with Leviathan storm cannons, sounds intimidating. 22 Legion Rapier laser destroyers. Dorito dreadnought with Anvilus autocannon battery. Man, these words are like a mouthful. A Dorito dreadnought with Hellfire plasma cannonade. Legion Rapier with quad launcher. Legion Tarantula with las cannon battery, and Legion Tarantula with Hyperios air defense missile launchers. Holy moly. So these are your models in this box set. Much needed support for everybody out there who has been, you know, playing the game and is like, you know what, I'm missing some units here. I need support. Well, support has arrived, so here we go. I think this is enough gum flapping from me. I think we really just need to get in here and take a look at these frames and the instruction guides. I'm gonna bust out the trusty rusty blade of destiny here, and we are going to cut our way into the box. Oh yes. And it's got cellophane on it. So you know what? Maybe we had to come in and get a little listen of some cellophane. Come in for that ASMR experience. Here we go. Here's the first one. Not bad, not bad. Next one. Let's do it a little faster. Yeah, let's do it a little faster. Ooh, yeah. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, let's get it. Okay, so let's have a look inside the box. Yeah. So 24 models, so I'd imagine it's going to get 2 duplicate frames. We have big old bag of bases. Very nice. I like these new bases. They're very nice and shallow. We got 2 frames and an instruction guide. Let's have a quick little looky-loo through the instruction guide. Now, with a lot of these Legion Imperialis models, they are not terribly complex as, you know, they're really small models. So, I mean, they can't really be that complex. Although these dreadnoughts look like they are quite a few parts. Yeah. I mean, these guys are pretty big, though. Like, they look like they dominate the entire base, as it were. The Dorito Dreadnought, I really enjoy this one with all the missiles and guns. I think this one's just really cool. It's, this kind of Dreadnought is the kind of Dreadnought that first thing I think of when I'm thinking of Warhammer 40,000 or Warhammer 30,000, as it were. Like, it's got little marine crews. Very cool. Tarantulas. Missile batteries. Yeah. Very cool. So, that is the instruction guide. We are looking at duplicate frames for this release, for these supports. Tons of little bits on here. Oh yeah, the Leviathans are pretty darn big. You know what? Let's come in for a closer look. And you know what? Maybe we'll have a little sniff around as well. All right, having a look at these frames. Very cool. Yeah, the Leviathan Dreadnought bodies, very, very cool. They're pretty darn big. It's almost the size of my fingertip there. Pretty darn cool. Love all the detail. I have been really, really impressed with all of these Legion Imperialis models. The level of detail that they've been able to pack into these kits is really, really impressive. Just from a modeling standpoint, these models are fantastic. And, you know, it has a lot to do with, you know, the level of technology that we're in this day and age, as far as, you know, what we can do with CNC machining and, you know, 3D design. Yeah, they're really, really cool. I'm really excited. I might have to put one of these Doritos together. Maybe put the whole little squadron into battle, as it were. Oh man, yeah, look at the Dorito. The little part there in the center, it kind of looks a little bit like a toilet bowl. Doritos and toilet bowls. Well, have too much of one, you will end up in the other. Right? Right? I think we got to come in for a sniff test, don't we? Yeah, I think we do. Yeah, it smells like Doritos. Oh my gosh, yeah. That's Legion. That's Legion Astartes for you. Support. It's coming. It's incoming. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our look at the new Legion Imperialis, Legion Astartes Support for Warhammer, the Horus Heresy. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support, as well as everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Big thank you to you all. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Just a tip, fresh tips, and the return of quick tips. Maybe a live stream. Painting live stream, weigh the brush, maybe a battle report, ooh, maybe just a video sharing my thoughts on the state of wargaming in general, or just sharing my thoughts, whatever kind of wacky ideas I have. I'm rambling at this point now. Okay, bye.